Hello dear students, welcome in online video classes. Today we will talk about the second chapter, latitude and longitudes. In this chapter first we will talk about the introduction of this chapter. The shape of the earth is spherical, means flat at the poles and bulged at the equator. Bulged, not exact circular. It is not the shape of the earth. So it is bulging at the equator, at the center part, and flattened on the pole is known as geoid shape. Geoid shape of earth. It is a particular name given for this shape of the earth. Total circumference is at the equator is the longest. It is approx 40,000. It is approx 40,000 kilometer at the equator circumference. It is also known as Great Circle. Towards poles, the length of these lines decreases. We have four cardinals directions: north, south, east, west, and four cardinal points also: northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. It is four main directions and four cardinal points, main cardinal points. For the earth, we have four hemispheres. To the north of the equator it is northern hemisphere. To the south of this equator is southern hemisphere. And 0° prime meridian. To the east of this is eastern hemisphere, and to the west of this it is western hemisphere. So we have four hemispheres on the earth. Earth divided into four hemispheres. Next we will talk about Earth's grid system. One word came here, GRID, grid. It is a network of imaginary lines, latitudes and longitudes. Understood? It is a network of imaginary lines, latitudes and longitudes. It is our chapter today. So try to, before explaining grid, first we will know about the latitude, because it is a network of these two types of lines. Which are these lines? So today we will discuss about latitudes on the earth. So latitudes is the network of imaginary or angular distance on the earth's surface found on the earth from west to east. West to east. These are and parallel to equator. These are latitudes. Longitudes we will discuss later in the second part of this chapter. So we have these are latitudes. 0 degree to poles 90 degree. It is equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and just opposite of this Arctic is anti-Arctic, means Antarctic. The degrees are, it is 0 degree, it is 23.5 degree north, 66.5 degree north. Same, 23.5 degree south, 66.5 degree south. It is the degrees. I said earlier, to the south of this, it is southern hemisphere, so it is 23.5 degree south, 66.5 degree south, and to the north of this equator, it is 23.5 degree north and 66.5 degree north. To understand this, these are the parallel lines found on the globe. Due to the shape of the earth, it is very tough to draw all these lines on the equator, on the earth. So, equator is the baseline and we will draw all these. So, these are known as angular distance from the equator and to the meridian. They are making 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree north. So, these lines are drawn on this map. It is circular, whole area it is covering. So it is very tough to draw the line. So it is taken angular distance. It is angular distance. It is 0 degree, 23.5. Again we will make this 66.5 degree. Here also we will make 66.5 degree. Then we will draw these lines. Towards the north and south, the length of these will be decreased. Longest radius of the earth is approx 6,300 km at the equator, and it is in the decreasing order towards poles. Importance of latitudes. Zero degree equator is the longest or biggest circle, great circle, and it is the path used by mostly sailors to save fuel and time. I said towards, when we move toward the poles, the length will be decreased, but the path will be zigzag to reach on any place. But when you will follow the great circle routes, it will save your time and fuel also. After this, we will divide the whole earth In heat zones, we have three heat zones. First one is torrid zone. Second one, temperate zone, and last one is frigid zone. Degrees are 0 degree to 23.5 degree north and south. It is torrid zone. 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree, sorry, 66.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south. It is temperate zone in both the hemisphere, and 66 and above, it is frigid zone. It is 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north and 66.5 degree south to 90 degree south. By mistake I have written here S. It is not. It is in the northern hemisphere, so it is not 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north. It is frigid zone in both the hemisphere. I expect you understood. We will again continue in next class about longitude. Thank you, students.